Hey guys, what's up? The Z Fold 3 is just weeks away from its grand unveiling on August 11, where one of the most exciting features will be its under-panel camera. But there is one problem, as the sensor seemingly has an underwhelming resolution of just 4 megapixels, which leads to the question as to whether it will be an issue in the real world. Well, personally I don't think it will be, assuming of course that the 4 megapixel sensor itself is not a complete dud, and let me explain why. So first thing first, we will have to wait and see how this 4 megapixel UPC performs in the real world before we can draw a definitive conclusion pertaining to its quality. With that out of the way, it is worth reminding that a high resolution doesn't always translate into a good photo, because factors such as luminosity, contrast, color reproduction and various other stuffs aren't directly affected by the number of pixels, as other characteristics such as pixel and sensor size or method used for isolating pixels from each other indeed play a bigger role here. Now of course, these characteristics have never been a top priority for Samsung selfie cameras, so only time will tell what the UPC sensor is capable of in practice. But as far as the pixel count itself is concerned, a high-resolution photo is generally useful for digital zoom and for oversizing an image to create large physical posters. But selfie cameras, to the contrary, usually don't need a very high resolution because they are not meant to take zoom photos of pictures for billboards. Though of relevancy, a wide angle makes itself more useful for group selfies, and there, brightness plays a bigger role than pixel count, especially since selfie sensors are rarely accompanied by a true LED flash. That said, the other reason why I believe that the low pixel count is not an issue is that the phone already has a second selfie camera on the cover display, and it boasts a higher resolution of 10 megapixel, and this surely will be the selfie camera of choice for many users regardless of the UPC's resolution, for the simple fact that the phone is a lot easier to wield when folded shut. For instance, if we were to give a choice, I believe that the majority of people would prefer taking selfies with a smartphone rather than a tablet. Hence, the Fold 3 can be both, and most people will likely use the 10 megapixel external camera for their selfie needs. Meanwhile, the 4 megapixel UPC hidden behind the foldable display is a lot more fitting for applications such as video conferencing, in which case a resolution of 4 megapixel isn't a fundamental problem. The bigger issue in these cases is the notch or display cutout, as it can become a distraction or cover essential areas of the display. So just to wrap things up, I believe we will know for sure how good the UPC is once we get our hands on the foldable, and it goes without saying that the UPC will have its uses, and due to the Z Fold 3's form factor, it probably wouldn't have been used as the main selfie camera by anyone even if it had a 10 megapixel or higher resolution. But still, who knows, perhaps a handful of Z Fold owners out there actually prefer using the inner cameras for selfies, and if you are one of them, let me know in the comment. And if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like it, share it and subscribe my channel.